Alam nyo ba na may hydraulic property na sobrang useful na pwede natin gamitin sa halos lahat ng design ng mga hydraulic systems, gaya ng water supply systems at drainage systems? Ito ay ang flow rate. Specifically, yung tinatawag nating volumetric flow rate. Ito ay kung gaano kadaming fluid in terms of volume ang dumadaan sa isang system over a period of time. Madalas itong represented ng mga sumusunod na units, gaya ng LPS or liters per second, GPM or gallons per minute, cubic meters per day, cubic feet per second. Kung titingnan natin sa units, ito ang volume at ito ang time. Kung ilalagay naman natin sa formula, ang volumetric flow rate ay expressed as Q is equal to volume over time. Kung dadaan ang fluid sa isang defined cross-section, pwede natin gamitin ang formula na Q is equal to AV, wherein Q is the volumetric flow rate, A is the cross-section area of the flow, and V is the velocity of the flow. Madalas natin gamitin ang property na ito sa applications gaya ng pag-compute ng pipe sizes for water and drainage, pumps, water demands, sizes ng tanks, at marami pang iba. So to know more about flow rate, you can watch my full video link in the comment section. Bye-bye!